Advice and tips on successful affiliate marketing. The world of affiliate marketing is very vast and exciting. There are so many ways that one can enter and use their knowledge of this field to help promote their own business. It depends completely on the individual. That said, no matter what your marketing skills are, here are some tips to help you. You should talk to people who have joined the affiliate program you are considering to avoid any fraud. Ask them how much money they make, and if they are always paid on time. You can also learn a lot from experienced workers about sales techniques and how to make more sales. Do not fall for schemes from so-called experts in the field who want to sell you on their affiliate marketing products. Believe it or not, every single piece of information you need to know about marketing can be found free of charge from multiple places online. The only benefit of a purchased program is that it gives you the information without searching. Focus on the sell-through, not just the number of clicks. Remember, affiliate marketing is not about the number of page views, it's about the number of people who follow through and buy. Just bringing someone to a page won't make you any money, so make sure the customer has a reason to want to buy what you are offering. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build a content-rich affiliate website. It is good practice to have content which is in line with the merchant's product offering. This ensures that your visitors are interested in the products your merchant sells, which helps you to send more customers to your merchant. Affiliate marketing is a fascinating and exciting world that is only limited by the extent of a person's product and budget. There are many possibilities, products, and techniques. Start experimenting to find something new for yourself or to learn something new that you can better for your business. Become a better affiliate marketer by using these tips. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.